Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Kalkandu Pongal. Today is Avani first Sunday of Tamil month. Generally people pray to Sun God during this Avani 4 weeks of Sundays. So we will keep Pongal. Either one Sunday we will keep according to our comfortableness. So we keep Pongal for Surya Bhagavan. Sun God gives light to our earth. So generally after keeping Pongal, we place under the Sun God and pray to God to give good health, good eyesight, problems related to heart, skin disease, like that. Now come, let's go into the video and see how to make Kalkandu Pongal. 1 cup of ponni raw rice, 1 cup of Kalkandu, break it, 1 handful of broken chana dal, coconut, ghee, cashew, kismis, cardamom. Either you can pressure cook the pongal or keep it in a vessel. So in a pressure cooker add rinsed rice, broken chana dal, add 500 ml of water, add cardamom pieces, close the cooker, pressure cook for 1 whistle and 10 minutes in sim. Season cashew and kismis in ghee. See, now the rice is cooked. Now add broken kalkandu, mix it well till kalkandu melts. Add seasoned cashew and kismis along with ghee, mix it nicely. Finally add grated coconuts, mix it nicely. Kalkandu Pongal is ready now.